This wireless CarPlay screen has a front-facing camera, it has a backup camera, and it's just a great way to get AirPlay into your car if your car doesn't have AirPlay. If it's got AirPlay, no problem. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. I'll take you through the install process and then show you the features.
The first step is attaching the display to the bracket. This is one of two brackets that you have to pick from, and it's just a snap. And it's on there. It will not come off. And you can position this however you need to. Sticking this down to the dash. I am almost there. And again, I get the position just right. Here's the parking assist camera install. It does come with double-sided foam and screws. This is the double-sided foam install, pretty easy. Then connect that to the display, reconnect the power, and then hide the cables. The instructions show you how to get the cables run back to the camera. Here's the 4K front-facing camera. You wouldn't typically have the camera on while you're driving, but it's nice that you have this option. Now I'm in reverse, and the backup camera helps me do a perfect parking job. And here's a fun feature, split screen. Both the front and rear camera are visible. To flip between CarPlay, you go to this main panel. Now you've got your CarPlay, very familiar. There's a white button off to the right. Click that, click camera. Now you're back in camera mode. Back to home, back to CarPlay, very easy. This iPhone and Android app lets you download the footage to view yourself or share with others.